we're gonna talk about tenses. Tenses are of three types: the past, present, and future. Let's understand the categories of tenses now. So the first category can be simple tense. So simple tense can be three types: simple past, simple present, and simple future. Talk about certain examples of simple past. So if my word is go, just the word in its present format, in its normal format, is called simple present. So if we use the past form of that word, in case it's went, it will be simple past. For simple future, we use the word will plus the normal word. So in our case, it will be will go. Coming to our second part, that is the continuous tenses. This refers to anything that's ongoing, means that anything that's still happening or it is still going on. So continuous tenses are also of three types: present continuous, I'm writing PC for this. Then past continuous, I'm writing PAC for this. And then future continuous. How will it be our present continuous? We can use the words like is, am for our usage. He, comma, she is going. We can also use I am going. Hence, is, am, these kind of words are considered as present continuous. Now coming to past continuous, I'll be using the past format of is, that is was. Now coming to future tense, we use the word will, but we add a be form. Will be going. So these are the three forms of continuous tense, and like before we have considered the simple tense, which also has three formats. About perfect tenses. So let's see what perfect tenses are. Again, perfect tenses can be divided broadly in three types. So it can be present perfect, past perfect, and again future perfect. So let's see what kind of things are used. So basically perfect tenses are those tenses which uses the past participle format. Present perfect tense uses the form has. If it's singular, that is if there is only one person. And the have format if it is a first person or many person. So let's give an example. He has done the job. So we have used the word format has along with the past participle of do, which is done, and this is one person. For the first person, I have done the job. Or they have done the job. Now we have the past perfect tense. We mainly use the had plus past participle, and they are basically the same for singular and plural. He had done it, done the job. They had done the job. Now, the last form is the future perfect tense, where we use will, have done. So, have done is always there, and the word will comes in. I will have done it, they will have done the job. Use I will have done the job. So the will format, have format stays same for everyone. First person, second person, third person, singular and plural. Now the past participle changes according to the verb, and the whole form is called future perfect. Few types of tenses that we have talked about in this video. Apart from that, I will be creating another video where I will be talking about the types of perfect tenses in depth. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and follow the description box for your future reference. Thank you. See you until the next time.